Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fahid. I am a trader since the past 5 years. If you know me, if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. If you are watching this regularly, then great. And if this is something you are not aware of, kindly stick around to this channel because I'll be sharing a lot of secrets which has costed me lakhs of rupees and years of my life to learn, and I'll be sharing quite a lot for that's my phone. But yeah, anyways, again my phone. But anyways, I'll be sharing a lot of the valuable tips I have learned from my trading journey on my YouTube channel, and I intend to educate people who are on the same path as me. So let's get into it. Before that, I will be adding a video of how I made 60,000 in 60,000 rupees, so that's around 800 euros in 5 minutes thanks to options. It's not from today, it's from earlier this year in January.
I'm sharing my trade, what I did, 9:34 a.m., 42 seconds. I sold at 32, and less than 5 minutes later at 9:39, I'm out for almost 20-point profit. So, yeah, and this is what it gave. This was made in less than 5 minutes.
The impressive part about of that trade was the time it took. That was just 5 minutes, and it was just after opening of the market. I think within 15 minutes of the market open, because market opens at 9:15, I entered a trade. Within 5 minutes I'm out. I made 20 points and I made 60,000 rupees. So it's a decent amount, especially for that time frame. And if we talk about this move which happened yesterday, this went from 66 to 125. Well, it went even further, but let's talk about this. 120, let's call it. That's a 60-point move. That's double of the move what I capitalized on. This happens, my friends. So you can understand that why I'm after these kind of videos non-stop, and I will continue to keep making these videos because I want to educate people and make the awareness about trading, because a lot of people, well, hardly people watch my video as of now, yeah, but I want to really show some valuable content and some gems I want to share with you. So, and how you can make some serious money, maybe just from a simple suggestion. Like if I show you this trend line, and after that we popped, or let's say we dropped, that's when the put popped. That's from yesterday. What time was it? 2:30, and that's put. Yeah, that was put. Market dropped at a 2:30 bar, and that's the same bar here. So that's a crazy move to be in. That happened, but that was yesterday. Let's come back to today. Today was the weekly expiry where all the options died. So as you can see, this 9th July, today is Thursday, 9th of July. Every Thursday there is the expiry of the weekly options, where these contracts, they will no longer be valid. So from tomorrow, the 16th July, will be traded. Excuse me. Yeah, that happens as well. Try not to look at your phone too much during trading. That acts as a distraction. Anyways, not today. Let's look at Nifty. So we closed at the low point of the day yesterday. We opened with a 30-point gap up or so, and we made a high here, and then we consolidated. It was very range bound, and then we had to drop. Now what I want to share with you guys, very important, that when you're trading options, especially on a Thursday where things can go wild, like things, there can be a random move which doesn't make any sense at all. Like let's talk about this particular bar where just Nifty dropped 40 points just to rise back up again even higher. So that doesn't make sense. You see the volumes as a big selling, a very bearish candle. And if you're holding calls, if you are have a position and you're happy, okay, things are going my way, and here it gets a bit dicey. Here it starts making some red bars, but nothing alarming. Here is a bit alarming, you can see. And then if you don't have your stop loss, you are in a big trouble. And you know, you don't want to be in this kind of situations. I have been there in the past, and it's very unpleasant when you see thousands of rupees just evaporate before you can even realize what just happened. And then especially when you see it come back, and you panically you get out of it, and you see it come back, and wow, it's just even higher. So it is the worst experience you can have. If you have been in this move, you should always have your stop loss. You know, below this I am out, or below this, or whatever. But my suggestion, number one suggestion, which can save you lakhs and crores, literally, just have your stop loss always. You know when you are getting out. You should, it is more important to know when you're getting out rather than when you're getting in. Trust me on that. Because as long as you are not in, that's not an issue. But once you are in and you don't know when to get out, when things don't go as planned or as planned, that's what makes a difference. Because market can take you for a wild ride. You know, this option went from 91 to 54, almost 40-point drop in 10 minutes. You know, you're gonna shake from that. So it's just a suggestion, always have your stop loss in place. I hope this video will be picked on by some new traders ultimately, because my YouTube channel right now is not doing so well with just 30 subscribers, and yeah, I don't get enough views either. But I really hope that traders genuinely get to know about this channel, and that I'm trying to provide educational content as well. And these are things I have gone through personally. So what I was also trying to tell you, that this was also a big option selling which happened here. Yes, so in general market rose. You can see that Nifty only rose higher and higher and ended up at the high point of the day. So call ultimately rose. But if we look at put, here is when market dropped all of a sudden. It gave you this random huge bar, and if you bought on top of that, then you are messed up, because then it's just falls further. So if you are in this a bit earlier, around this level, great. If not, you missed it. Just don't chase it, because this is what happens. So this option which opened at 89 rupees today is now 5 paisa. That's gone completely. And this was just one, you know, in the market there's a saying, what goes up comes down, and what comes down goes up. So this is what happened. Live example. So even if you sold here, because you know all these financial institutions, they sell options, because option selling can make you more than buying at many instances. I would say if an option, let's say a call rises 10 points, the put can fall let's say 15 or 14 or even 20. I've seen option rise by 5 points and the other option has fallen by 12. So that's how extreme it can be. So option selling can be very very rewarding, and that's what I show in the video as well, that how quick you can make an amount. Like let's say you sold somewhere here or whatever, let's call it 50. How long did it take to make you 20 points? Well, let's say 50 is here, so 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, 3 bars, 15 minutes to make the amount I made. If you are trading that quantity, you can trade even much more. In this bar itself, there's a 1.5 million volume. I hope you understand what that means. That's a lot of money involved in it, and a lot of big players in it. So Thursdays, be careful. There can be wild swings. It can be a day you can double your account, even triple it if you are doing the right things and you are over leveraged, which I don't suggest. But it's also a day you can get wiped off. So be careful, my friends. Be safe, trade safe, and if you have any queries, hit me up. So this was my review for the day. What else to say? Because as you can see, we opened gap up from yesterday. It was just a great intraday trade to take of 100 points max, and here we rise further, we consolidated, rise further. This was just one freak thing which happened, which I still can't make sense of. It now broke this low, by the way, so you knew that we can head up higher from there. This was a crucial level here, you can see. And interesting thing, 28. The high from yesterday was 28, and today we went to 27, then we fell back 30 points, and then we rose again. So stay woke. I'll be coming with more of such videos. Hope you guys find it useful. Use it as a motivation. These profits are just tiny profits. There is much more to make, much more to learn. It's a business. You just need to know how to do it, because it can be very rewarding. You should know what to do when. And Thursdays are a day you can make a killing or you can get killed, seriously. So trade smaller. I would even suggest people who are trading on Thursdays, who are, let's say, newbies or new to trading, that Thursdays you can see price move in a way you won't see normally. And Fridays are exactly opposite, where options barely move by a few points. So I was mentioning that why Fridays are not my favorite days to trade. So that's all for this video. I will be uploading one soon, and hopefully you got some ideas from it, what to do and how to approach expiry trading. And till then, take care and see you in the next video.